A young man from Hubei spent 20,000 yuan to buy this car. A Toyota Prado that originally cost 800,000 yuan. Even the owner said the engine was already scrapped. So it was sold to him at scrap price. He thought he got a bargain, but ended up being ripped off. The body was rusted. All rubber parts had aged, and the engine was stuffed into the trunk. At this point, he had no choice but to continue. Watch how I rebuild it from scratch and restore this wreck to like new condition. First, strip it completely. When I wake up, the sun ... As the interior is removed, things don't look good. There's no one to talk to. Oh, my girl, don't leave me alone. All my friends don't let me down. Interior removed, separating the body. Bro, this is bad. The underside is severely rotten. Is this step bracket even strong enough? Body separated from frame. Bolts rusted, bushings deformed and age. A thick layer of mud on the chassis. Let's clean it thoroughly first. Even inside the frame is full of dirt. Everything needs to be cleaned. The rubber mounts are completely rusted away. The chassis is heavily corroded. Decided to disassemble and powder coat. Beautiful world, don't lie to me. I need your love, don't leave me alone. Ball joint frame cracked. You idiot. This chassis feels like it could fall apart while driving. All chassis bushings are destroyed. Shock absorber severely damaged. Tie rod bushings have fallen off. Tell me, is there anything still in good condition? It's a miracle it still runs. Rusty bolts can only be replaced. Frame disassembly complete. Parts sent for refurbishment. Sandblasting rust removal. Looks brand new. Electrostatic powder coating. Full 360 coverage. High temperature curing. Refurbished chassis ready for assembly. Watch carefully and learn how to do it yourself. Keep it diamond. In a lonely dream, suddenly, there is sunlight. Chassis assembly complete. Pretty simple, right? Next time you try it. Engine parts are ready. All worn parts replaced with new ones. Start precise assembly solo. Torque precisely controlled with zero error. Automated glue application machine. Electric tools. Anyone recognize this? Factory-style sealant lines. Engine assembly is now complete. With professional equipment and standard procedures, does it meet your expectations? The original body was to rot. Even repaired, it wouldn't last long, so a replacement body was sourced and cleaned. Cleaning complete. Start primer coating. Polish again carefully. Repaint engine bay. Front body painted. Even hidden areas are not ignored. We want factory new condition. Underbody protective coating apply. Body mounted back onto chassis. Interior reupholstered. Dashboard restored. All interior plastics refinished. Seats reupholstered. Looks like new again. That familiar, satisfying fit. Don't forget to like and follow. All clips replaced with new ones. Carpet cleaned. When I wake up, the sun is already drunk. Exterior parts reinstalled. Bolts polished. Necessary bolts repainted. This 20,000 yuan old Prado, after 2 months of work, is reborn like new. Now let's take a look.